This video is a guide for continuing students. It will show you how to log in to the BILUM student portal and upload your program fee receipt to continue your registration. Step 1. Open the student portal. First, open any web browser. In the address bar, type BILUM, UOG, ac.pg, and press Enter. Once the page opens, click on Sign In. Then select Login with University Email. If you are already logged into your university email, simply select your account. If not, click on Use Another Account, enter your university email address, and then enter your password. Once you log in, you will be in your student portal. Then click your name and choose My Account. Then, click on Student Profile to view your details. You will not see any details yet because your portal account has just been created. To link your payment ledger history to the new portal, click on the Send Email to Administration button. Please check your portal again after 24 hours to continue the process. After 24 hours, you will be able to see your personal details along with your payment ledger. The next step is to upload your payment receipt. To do this, click on the Choose File button at the bottom of the page. Next, go to the folder where your payment receipt is saved. Then, select the file and click the Open button. Once the file name appears, make sure you have uploaded the correct receipt. Then click the Upload Payment Receipt button to continue. When the upload is successful, the status will appear in green, and the file name will be displayed along with the file format. You have now successfully completed the process. You may click the Open button to confirm that the correct receipt has been uploaded. Please note this important instruction when you are filling out the payment receipt at the BSP Bank. When filling out the BSP payment receipt, you must write your student number in two places. First, in the description box. Second, under the total cash box, as shown on the screen. If you need further assistance, please contact the Student Administration Office or the Student Welfare Office.